like a bullet train.
Hey guys, this is Staspringer, and as we all heard that correct, Warmerise is again back to WebGL, as the new version of Mozilla Firefox 52.0 released on 7 March 2017 removed the support to Netscape plugin API, something that runs the Unity as well as Java, Acrobat and the like, and with its removal, all those are now unsupported, eventually making Warmerise Unity version unplayable over Firefox, which was the last major browser for Unity games. However, there are still many browsers that support Unity, but those are not going to bring sufficient amount of players to make enough revenue for the developer to keep the services running. Just after 2 days of the release of Firefox 52.0, Mac supported Warmerise to WebGL, but unlike last time, this time he kept the Unity version as well and released the WebGL version on a different place, so that whoever wishes to play on Unity can use other browser or older version of Firefox and enjoy the game there, instead of getting a massive headache over the bad performance of game on WebGL. Other than removing Unity support, Firefox version 52.0 brought a new feature of adding support for WebAssembly, an emerging standard that brings near-native performance to web-based games, apps and software libraries without the use of plugins. Basically referring to WebGL that it doesn't require any external plugin, software or extension, as the Unity web player requires. That's where it tops Unity, besides being utterly unstable for a smooth gameplay. So upgrading to Mozilla Firefox 52.0 released on 7 March 2017, you'll get the following changes. First, it will make the Unity games unplayable for you, which means you won't be able to play Warmerise from the Play Now page. You will have to go for WebGL version instead. Second, it will improve the performance of Warmerise on WebGL as compared to what performance it gives us now. I'd rather suggest you don't upgrade to Firefox 52.0 because even the improved performance is not so promising for us gamers. Secondly, you're not going to find anyone to play with on the WebGL Warmerise, as no one is willing to have a headache over that cracky gameplay. So you should rather stick to old version, or if you have upgraded already or automatically, then downgrade it. You can check out Paul and Matt's topic in helps and tips section, that's really helpful. Most people will now wonder what's the need of WebGL when everyone is still using the Unity. Well, apparently a very less amount of players are using it as compared to the figure we used to get before. This is way less. People are upgrading to newer version of browser. Not everyone downgrades their browser for just a game, so we will not be having any big audience if we stick to Unity. Later or sooner, everyone will have to move to WebGL, where you're expected to get more players from outside to play with. I want to compare Unity Warmerise and WebGL Warmerise simultaneously, and the difference I found is that FPS is 5 times less in WebGL than Unity. The ping is 1/2 more than your usual ping. Means if your normal ping is 100, it will become 150 plus, and in my case it's somewhat about 300 plus. So here's a way to improve FPS. You can slightly improve your FPS through this. I made it from 30 plus to 50 plus. All you have to do is open run by pressing start key and R together, and from there type %temp %gate and open the folder, and from there delete all the files there and skip those which are in use. To improve your ping in WebGL, open command prompt and type ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. This will slightly improve your ping and lag, but on a WebGL you cannot expect a very great difference. It will just improve FPS and lag slightly. Moreover, the Firefox Developer Edition gives us slightly better FPS, but just really slightly, like 5 more than in normal Firefox. If you have a 32-bit operating system, get a newer version of Google Chrome instead of any other browser. Chrome works best for 32-bit users. Other than performance issues, WebGL came with a list of some other issues that Max listed in the announcement topic. However, I noticed some of them are already working properly, like the final screen and game audio. You will also see many bugs and error reports, all because of WebGL being a newly developed technology. It's improving and developing very fast, so hopefully in a few months the game will get to its old better performance back. Till then, we have to endure, compensate, and cooperate with each other, especially with the developer Max. I'll be glad to help in your problems. Just hit me up with a private message for help. I'll get it over as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching. See you around in another video.